Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. Come over here, join me for my snacks. I have here a city, big city. Let's put some pepper. Let's put some garlic powder. Same here. And basil. Love it, love it. I also have here in front of you raspberry and focaccia bread. I don't know if focaccia, miss, is this focaccia? Garlic? Garlic bread. It's garlic bread. And 4 cheese. Guys, come over here. I'm so hungry. This could be my day 37 of not eating meat. Like pork, beef, chicken. You can do it, guys. You still have few days to go. Even though you can't accomplish, you can still have your abstinence, and then you will be having an indulgence to the Lord. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Open your mouth. Love it? Love it. Luminous. One more time. Come on. It's still smoking. So hungry. You want some pizza? Hold on. Oh. But for now,